How to remove admin from a Facebook group. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Groups as shown. Tap and open any group from here. Over here, tap on Manage. Scroll down to the Tool Shortcuts section and go to Community Roles. Now, tap on Admin. Here, you can view the admins of this group. If you want to remove an admin, then tap on their name. Then, tap on Remove as Admin at the bottom. Tap on Confirm. This person will no longer be an admin of this group. Following these steps, you can easily remove admin from a Facebook group. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.